Another important topic we should talk about is direct hair transplant. You all must have heard much more, a lot about direct hair transplant. And this direct hair transplant, basically the process they say is like that. You take out one follicle, put the follicle back, take out one follicle, implant the follicle in the recipient area, take out one follicle and implant the follicle in the recipient area. But to your surprise, you will know the original company which invented it and which has a name for it actually never did that, and still they don't do it. So even the company which invented direct hair transplant actually don't transfer one by one. They take out the follicle first and then implant it. The direct hair word or direct hair transplant is only used for marketing purpose. So that company became very big just by marketing this direct hair transplant. In fact, they never did it. Also, the people who have copied that company actually are doing direct, but what they do, they take out 200, 300 grafts, then put it 200, 300, they take out 200, 300, then they take it. So they do something like that. But that technique is actually not good at all. You cannot get a good density. You cannot have a follicle designing in that, which means that if your hairline is a single hair, you cannot put 100% single hair by taking out one, putting it one, because the follicles will come in different forms and shapes. So direct hair transplant is probably the most oldest technique in India available, which means that it started in 2008, the direct hair transplant, and it's almost obsolete now. But since people don't know, they still continue looking for a direct hair transplant method or a direct hair method or a direct hair technique, considering that the follicle survival rate will be good. But 95 to 99% of the world doesn't do direct hair transplant. And their hair grows better, their densities are better, their coverage is better, their designs are much better.